In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Display. Following that, scroll all the way down, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and apply the best option for you by tapping on it, Adaptive or Standard. I will switch to Standard, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!